Hello and welcome everyone. Since festival season is approaching, let's light up our home beautifully and creatively with some diyas, candles, and DIYs.
This is the most auspicious time of the year, Diwali or Festival of Lights. Let's start with brightening up your dining table. A colorful dining centerpiece can be easily made with some artificial leaves, pebbles, and shiny balls. First, arranged the leaves and pebbles in a tray. I used a cemented one. You can use any tray that you have. Added two candles in the center. You can add more if you like. Now some shiny balls in three shades, that is red, golden and silver. These are Christmas balls I used, easily available anywhere. Now some cook pine leaves or simply the Christmas tree leaves. Just fixing randomly in between. Some final decoration and a colorful centerpiece is all ready. Isn't it beautiful? This one is a classic look candle stand. I used a small shade on outer cover of an LED light which was not in use, so I cut that in half and used a puja bell or ghanti and an old bangle. Since all are golden in color, just stick them together. So easily you get a golden classic candle stand ready to be illuminated. This one is a floral candle stand made with some artificial leaves and flowers. First making the base with this cubical thermocol piece. Once that's done, I'm fixing it on a cardboard which I have sticked with leaves. Now fixing these stems on all sides with the help of Fevikwik and interlocking them together. Now filling the gaps with some more leaves and flowers. I use these blue flowers. The end result is very satisfying. This candle stand is made with twigs collected from garden. I use two glasses. First cut a cardboard base and stick glasses over it. These are some twigs which I have collected and painted with silver color. First sticking the twigs in such a way that it forms a sun-shaped pattern in the front. After that, I started to stick some twigs from sides like this till it covered the whole area. As you can see, it has got two different patterns. One side has sun-shaped pattern and the other one has rustic wooden look. Love both the looks. Really gives a peaceful and calming vibes after lightning. This is a wine glass candle stand. I use some beaded lace, flowers and leaves for it. First sticking the beaded lace. Now sticking some flowers in the center. Now coloring the lower part with a very light neutral color. It's called skin color. After the color is dried, I'm now adding some leaves from the sides. And here a lovely candle stand is ready. The beauty of light owes its existence to the dark. Now this is just a way of arrangement of some floating tea light diyas, which I do every year on my center table. So I thought to share it with you this time. Just love its brightness and glaze. Let each diya beautifully illuminate every corner of your soul by adding sparkling moments of love. Thank you.